Oh, good morning. Oh, she's cold. What do we got time? 6:25, about to hit the road. Drives a bit longer than I thought today, so having to leave a bit earlier. Got probably 5 to 6 hours of driving ahead. So we'll see how long it takes till we get to Picton. Don't really have enough battery life or memory on the memory stick. Just sort of do a nice time lapse for you today, so I'll just check in with you when I next check in with you. Hopefully we're not broken down. So next stop, Picton. Right, so we're probably about a third of the way through. Sun's up, snow-capped mountains. Oh, what a day, what a day. Little Ace is holding up so far. Cruising up State Highway 1, getting overtaken by everyone. That's alright. Nice day, enjoying the ride. They even got little bits of snow on the side of the road that I can see every now and then. But apart from that, it's some pretty good driving conditions today. Yeah, just 3 or 4 more hours to go. Well. Pretty much halfway. We're now in the beautiful Kaikoura region. Yeah, it's just up the road, around the corner a little bit. Yeah, it puts us about halfway to Picton. And not too bad, not too bad. What is the time? 9 o'clock. So, yeah, roughly 2.5 hours of driving so far. With just one little stop along the way. I don't think we'll stop in Kaikoura, or maybe we will. Can we go visit the seals? Don't know that I've really got much time for it, but I don't know. Maybe we can go see the seals. It's a nice day. Beautiful day. Yeah, I was planning on driving straight through, but we'll see. Oh, kia ora. So I did decide to pull over, see if I come down to the water here. What a day, look at that view. It's beautiful. It's pretty good out here. Came looking for the seals. There's none. Unfortunate. Last time I was here, they were just everywhere. They were just everywhere. But that was probably, what month are we? We're in August. Last time I came here was like around April, and they were just everywhere. So it must be the breeding or hibernation time of the year or something. But they're not here. But yeah, like I said, last time I was here, they were just everywhere. It was a miserable old day when I last came, it was overcast, raining, but that's probably what they like, but that's the money shot. But there, what a day. What an absolute day. But yeah, just thought I'd stop. The car is not too comfortable at all, so it's been a good 2.5, 2 3/4 hours in that car, and I am cramped up. It is uncomfortable, the chair's pretty buggered, so it's good to just get out and have a walk. Oh, wait, what did I just hear? I don't know if you could hear that in the background, it sounded like some coughing. You know what makes a coughing sound? That's right, we've got a seal. Sea lion seal? I'm not sure, it's one or the other. Yeah, it must be around somewhere. Go say hello to our little friend. Yeah, so there is one here. Just chilling in the sun. Yeah, oh, there you go. So I made a promise. Well, I didn't make a promise, but I said come down and see the seals. Saw one, singular, not plural, but hey, look, beggars can't be choosers. So, yeah, had my coffee, bit of a walk, seen a seal, seen some beautiful scenery. So now I think it's time to get back on the road. Got a little over 2 hours drive. Been making good time so far, so a couple more hours and hopefully we'll be in Picton. Fingers crossed. How good, finally in Picton. Looking a little bit different from the last time I was here. Last time I was here, there was a building right there. It's all demolished and gone now, and there's a lot of roadworks and whatnot going on, but we made it. Very, very happy that we made it. I was a little worried last night and this morning, and I'll show you why. There's a couple of things with the cars gave me pause for concern, but you know what? It held up and it got there. So, I mean, one of the wheels was making a lot of noise. It wasn't this one, but last night I had a quick check of the wheels. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, those are cracks, and yeah, you can almost push your finger into them. So gave myself an extra hour to drive down today. Drove down kind of slowly, 90 kilometers an hour, but still made good time, because I was very worried that that tyre might explode over here. And I have in the boot we've got a lot of spares and stuff, but I don't know if there's any spare tyres. I don't really want to be changing one on the side of the road, even if I have one. So yeah, we made it. We'll be able to get across the ditch now to the North Island, the mainland, as I like to refer to it. And then if it breaks down in Wellington, that'll be fine. We can just get a tow truck to Dad's garage and get it fixed there. So yeah, that's basically it now. Nice and easy just to check in, chill out. Still got an hour to check in, 2 hours till sailing. Grab some food and a bit of rest, and then we'll be in Wellington. So yeah, apart from that, we're just chilling, really, just chilling. So that's good. So yeah, I mean, now's about as good as time as any before we check in and roll onto the ferry. Just thought I'd like to say, like, I hope you're enjoying the journey. I hope you've been entertained of the journey so far and enjoyed the views. And if you have, throw a subscribe. Just click on it. It'd help out the channel heaps. So hopefully it's good and you're enjoying it. If you're already subscribed, oh well, that's fantastic. If you want to also help out, just copy this link, share this video with one other person you might think would be interested in seeing what I do to this little Subaru Ace and the journey it's going to go on. That's all you need to do. It doesn't cost you anything. Just share it with someone, send it to them and say, hey, look, check this out. I'll be forever grateful for you. But yeah, and also, we do have a Patreon, so anyone who wants to help contribute to this project, other projects, or future projects, you know, you can sign up for free there. There's also some paid memberships from, I think, as little as $5. And you know, you get a bunch of posts and stuff on there that you won't necessarily get on YouTube either. So there's some behind the scenes footage, some sneak peeks. You know, this project was put up nice and early when I purchased it, so you know, Patreons get to see what's happening in the future first. You know, get to comment and decide, I guess, the direction of the channel a little bit, you know, vote on polls and all that sort of good stuff. So if you're into that and want to help support the channel and more, then you know, just watching is just fine. But if you want to do more, you head on over to Patreon. Would gladly love you to join our community over there. But yeah, that's pretty much it from me. Now time to get onto the ferry, chill out and enjoy some sceneries as we cross the Cook Strait.